Hey everyone, do you want to teach engaging and interactive lessons to your students, to your online students, but wonder how to do that? Or you don't want to spend the time finding all the sites you can use to create that? Well, I have a great solution for you, and it is one word, and that word is Nearpod. Nearpod is a wonderful all-in-one site that lets you add virtual reality to your lessons, interactive games, matching games, interactive videos, all in your lesson, and it's all in one with just a few clicks of a button. Hey everyone, I'm Natalie from the edtechwizard.com, and here on my channel, you will learn all about using technology in your classes and to become the best teacher you can be. So, Nearpod is amazing, and I want to invite you to my Nearpod workshop. So, if you have thought about using Nearpod, maybe you dabbled in Nearpod just a little bit, want to teach with it, then this workshop is for you because you are going to be able to go from kind of knowing what Nearpod is to actually using Nearpod in your lessons to create these fun lessons that your students are going to participate and then continue to talk about it afterwards. Wow, that is what we all want, right? We want those engaging lessons where students continue to talk about your lesson and talk about you so you can build your teacher business. And one way we can do that is with Nearpod and fun, engaging lessons. So, my workshop, which I am hosting the 25th and 26th of February, choose the date you want to come. You'll learn how to create and highly engaging lessons with the top 5 Nearpod features that you can add in any lesson geared towards any age of learner. And that is time to climb, a matching game, virtual reality, interactive videos, and the draw it feature that allows students to draw on your slides. You'll also learn the best tips and tricks for using Nearpod in the classroom. So you're ready to teach your lesson. What do you need to know as a teacher to help you be successful? I'm going to go over all of that so you are comfortable and confident teaching with Nearpod. You'll learn the student view of Nearpod so you can troubleshoot or answer any questions or help them do the activity if they have questions. You know what they are looking at so you can help them have a good time as well. And I'll go over the teacher view and all the cool functions you have available to you as you are teaching your lesson. My students always love learning with Nearpod. They always ask when the next lesson with Nearpod is or when they can play that fun time to climb game. Again, it is the best. I love getting feedback from that from my students because I know they are engaged and participating and having a good time. Especially for me, I teach math, so when they want another math lesson with Nearpod, I know it is 100% golden to always use Nearpod. So again, if you are interested in my workshop, sign up with the link below and I'll see you either the 25th or the 26th. So let me know in the comments below if you're interested in coming. I can answer any questions you have and I would love to see you there. And be sure to share this with a teacher friend who needs this. And if you want more tech tips or tutorials for your classroom, then be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can get all those videos coming your way. And I'll see you at my Nearpod workshop. Bye guys.